Okay, we're on the inside of a 2008 Coachman Mirada 31 foot, 45,500 miles. Everything works perfectly, and I don't think I've ever seen a coach this perfect. The leather is phenomenal. The carpet is perfect. Everything works outstanding. Miles are 45,590. Generator has 200 hours on it. Sleeper sofa, sleeper dinette. The stove looks like nobody has ever touched it. Refrigerator is flawless. Beautiful. Had to be some old people. Look at the linen. Older people. Let's be polite. Toilet is perfect. Sink. Shower. Brand spanking new. Beautiful. Incredible wardrobe closet. A lot of room back here. This is probably a queen bed. Duct AC. 2 ACs on this unit too. No leaks. Perfect interior. Again, perfect carpet. Perfect flooring. Hard countertops. Nice faucet. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very, very nice to see something like this. Okay.